Hi, coffee beans. How's it brewing? I'm here with a special Thanksgiving video with my husband. Fancy fingers.
Flourish.
I got us two really fun kits I'm sure you guys have all seen before. Popin Cookin.
Popin.
I love Popin Cookin. This is not going to be a typical like craft kit review like what I usually do with my husband. We're just going to enjoy making these. And I don't think we've ever done either of these.
No.
This one has spaghetti.
What? And fried chicken. My opinion of Popin Cookin is that they're more fun to make than eat, if that makes sense. Because after all is said and done, they just taste like sweet, kind of
weird,
gelatinous, pseudo gummy mush. But that's just me.
Which one do you want to do?
I definitely want to start with this one. This looks interesting. I'm looking at this picture here, and it looks like I'm rethinking this whole thing because now it says if you look, the picture shows someone dribbling some stuff.
Is that the noodles?
I think that's how you make the noodles, and I'm not happy about it.
Oh,
so we'll see. We'll see.
Oh no. Okay, here, you do the honors. You open it.
Like other YouTubers where they're like,
oh god, they're so aggressive.
So aggressive.
It makes me uncomfortable.
I mean, there's a lot like that, so I'm not calling out any specific one, but anytime there's like an unboxing, it's always like, no, we're good. We're good. Wait, no, I'm dumb though.
Oh, shoot.
See, this is why you don't rip boxes like. Now I know with these, the bag is important.
The bag is important, not the box.
Not the box.
Oh, look at the little gyoza press.
Oh.
That's adorable.
Whoa.
I think we have a gyoza press.
Yeah, exactly. One got it from Daiso.
Daiso.
You're rascal.
The besto.
Oh wow. You went there.
Okay, are you ready? So we got.
Okay, let's do this.
We got stuff. We got things and stuff. This is the flan like pudding cup.
The
molds.
Yeah.
Gyoza press.
Fork. Perfect.
A toothpick.
It's like a sample fork.
Dough powder, noodle powder, soup powder, mango pudding powder. Ingredients.
Oh, it says just ingredients. Wow, they're not playing. Just ingredients. Cool. Oh wow, it's getting like foamy almost. Well, while we're mixing, I hope everyone has a great Thanksgiving.
Oh, it smells really good.
Oh, it smells exactly, okay, everybody out there, it smells exactly like
you're good at this.
The Krabby Patty candies. You get the little gummy Krabby Patty burgers.
I'm just gonna kind of mix this with my hands for a second.
Ugh, there's hair on it now.
Ew!
I don't want to eat it.
I don't want to eat it.
Here,
let's do a new piece.
Yeah, there's like cat. I mean,
honestly, we probably eat a lot of cat hair in our day.
Oh, don't even remind me. I know. Well, it's all on my clothes. It's all on the couch. Why isn't it in our food?
It's guaranteed it's in our food.
Guaranteed. There you go. Hey!
It worked!
Ya boy! Look at that.
So, what food are you looking forward to the most for Thanksgiving? What's your favorite food for Thanksgiving?
I don't, honestly, like Thanksgiving for me has really changed.
That's a good one.
That's a really good one. As I've gotten older and it's just like the food of Thanksgiving takes a backseat to the spending time together. But for me, it's always been about the parade.
I love the parade.
When I was a kid, grew up in New York, went to the parade only once. I'll vividly remember Sonic the Hedgehog.
I forgot.
My mom was still pregnant with my sister, and I was like maybe 5 or 6. The first year they had the Sonic the Hedgehog balloon because Sonic was popping back then. He got strung up on a street lamp and his head deflated and it collapsed on a group of people by me. He went past Macy's and everyone was like, Sonic, man. And then, the kind of wind blew him a little bit and then his head popped. And it didn't fall on us, but I don't know. My parents were like, okay, we gotta go.
That's
What?
Coca-Cola.
It tastes like, yeah, that makes sense to me. Let's see.
I wasn't sure what I was smelling.
I'll take a sip. Oh yeah, it tastes like
Sour Coca-Cola? Flat Coca-Cola?
It tastes exactly like the Haribo Happy Cola. Haribo Happy Cola.
You're really good. You have a good palate. You know what stuff smells like or tastes like.
I have the most best palate.
The most best palate. I know what I'm doing.
Oh, it's like a piping royal icing. Wow. I mean, from here. Oh, hey. Yeah, there you go. Consistent. Oh my goodness. Like, we're making ramen now.
This is how they make ramen.
Slow it down.
I know. It was hard.
Like, as soon as it went in, it immediately turned. Oh, now let's see. It's doing like what regular ramen noodles do.
Is it like falling apart?
No, it's clumping up.
Oh, yeah.
Pudding time.
Pudding cup.
Oh, it actually came out. Okay.
Yay!
All right. So, I mean, there it is.
That looks so good. Our ramen's all done.
Yay.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
I'm gonna have some of this pudding.
That probably might be the best thing.
It low-key. It tastes delicious. Stop it.
I'm looking what I'm doing.
Get on your level.
Am I gonna eat this? Am I really gonna do this?
Do it. Do it.
That is odd. The texture has become more like noodles. It is straight up like kind of like weird noodle texture. I know.
It's okay.
In case you don't want to.
No, it's good.
All right, now.
Well, that's strange.
That's odd. I know. All right, so I guess we should try this.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Oh, you went in there. You did that. I just want some of the inside, but I don't want to eat that much of this dough. Oh.
Well, that's a good bite right there.
Yeah. It's like cold, wet, gummy. Yikes.
Like, you know when a candy gets like condensation? That's what it here, let me do.
Yeah.
There's a little piece right there.
It's so jelly.
It is. It's gelatinous.
Yeah. Not my texture, guys.
Are you ready for our second one? Or our last one?
Yeah.
Can you not rip the box this time? Sir?
Yes, I won't
destroy the
replicate
box.
other...
Oh my god!
Sorry, just...
He legitimately scared me. Rice ball, candy powder. I thought it said garlic powder for a second. Spaghetti candy powder, sausage candy powder, and egg roll candy powder. Broccoli candy powder, fried chicken candy powder, seaweed candy powder, a green fork, another piping bag. Yeah, so my parents are going to be up here for the weekend. They're coming all the way up from Nevada. And obviously right now they don't want to fly, which I'm actually really grateful they're not flying. So they're driving all the way up here, which is like a 17-hour drive. And then we're going to try and go up to Leavenworth.
Leavenworth is awesome. It's a little town that's a German theme to it. And to have any business in that town, you need to like agree to keep the same aesthetic. Yeah. So they want this kind of like pseudo Bavarian,
like even the Starbucks.
Yeah, even the Starbucks, the Subway, the 76 gas station, they all have to like follow these aesthetic rules and have like wooden signs and like it's really cool. Look it up.
It's a really cool town. I'm freezing when I go.
Oh, freezing.
So cold.
It is tucked in the mountains.
It's like Dumb and Dumber. Like, I had snot dripping down my nose. Didn't know. It froze into icicles.
Good. Yeah, it was rough. I was like, you got some, forget it.
So this
That's
year
fine.
I am dressing
warm. See, in the American translation of Pokemon, these things, they call them donuts.
Donuts.
Like, to kind of make it for an American audience. And so, for the longest time, I was like, those donuts look cool. Like, I was thinking they were like chocolate
cool
and covered.
Pokemon donuts.
Right. And then when I found out that not all of them, there are some that are sweet, but not all of them are sweet, and that usually this is like a seaweed wrap. Changed my life. I was like, oh, well, that doesn't sound so donut-y to me.
All right, are you ready for me to get this everywhere?
No.
All right, not bad. Not bad. Oh, God.
Almost. There, you can use that.
we go.
Whoa!
That looks so awesome.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at how cute. Stir, my love.
Looks like a nugget. Wow.
That looks like a legit nugget. Looks like a popcorn chicken. This looks really gross. Oh, it's so cold. It's not even funny how cold this is. Where the heck are you supposed to squeeze this into?
In a pile?
Yeah.
Oh!
It is. No, it legitimately is in a pile.
This one almost smells like grape, like a grape ice pop. Okay, all right. I think we're good. I don't think we need that much spaghetti.
That's a lot of spaghetti.
Ugh.
It looks like an Animal Crossing tree.
It does. It does. It's like perfect.
Okay.
All right.
There is our bento box Popin Cookin dinner.
Ooh. Oh no. Everything. Oh, this is.
I'm gonna try a cheeky nugget.
I feel like this is the final meal. Like, got right into
poor panda. Cheers.
I got the better one. This isn't half bad. You would like it. It tastes like banana. Like
fake the artificial banana.
Fake banana. Ooh, no. Tell me why, internet. Fake banana flavor also tastes like fake bubblegum flavor.
Oh.
Tell me. I see that a lot. At first you're like, oh, it tastes like a banana runt. And then it's like bubblegum.
That's bizarre. All right. It legit tastes like bubblegum.
So I would be remiss if I didn't try one of these slimy wet ones because
don't do this one.
This is.
It might make you. It might make you throw up.
It doesn't even stay.
No, it doesn't stay in noodle form. It looks like vomit.
Oh my word.
Oh, don't do it.
No,
because I love you. Don't do it.
I think I'm gonna mess with this egg right. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna try this wet, cold, gelatinous egg. It tastes like it's trying to be like a lemon Jolly Rancher.
Oh,
so it's like
I
a lemon.
like that,
it's like a lemon flavor.
I'm gonna try the octopus hot dog. That doesn't taste like anything.
It just tastes.
It does not taste like anything.
Like wet.
It does. It just tastes like wet.
All right, let me see this broccoli. That doesn't taste like food.
No. It tastes like this. It's the same.
Ugh. You know what, kids? Eat your vegetables. Because they taste better than that. They taste better than that.
I would rather eat broccoli.
I'd be down with some broccoli.
I like broccoli.
Yeah, me too. Done. Done.
Fork drop.
Fork. Done.
Well, that is it for our Thanksgiving Popin Cookin.
Look at this. The remnants of our Thanksgiving meal. Delicious. Feast. A feast for the gods.
I am really looking forward to your turkey.
Holler.
And maybe some sweet potato pie. Store-bought. I'm not baking that.
No.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you've ever made either of these Popin Cookins, or if there's a Popin Cookin you think we should try, please share the link down below. I will happily try anything. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here. You can click the little bell to get notified when I post. I upload every Monday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Both husband and I hope that you have a fantastic Thanksgiving. And if you're not in the States, then we hope you have a fantastic holiday season. And I will see you next week for our regular BunnieDIY video. But the two of us will see you in a couple of weeks for a really awesome Snow Bunny DIY Hanukkah special.
Yay!
Bye, everyone.
The hands. Happy Thanksgiving.
Love you a latte. Awesome. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
So much fun.
Take this mic off of me.